When it comes to improving your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal, few upgrades are as impactful as replacing an old or worn-out door. Whether you're installing a new front entry door, patio slider, or interior door, the quality of the installation is just as important as the door itself. For homeowners in Covington, proper door installation isn't just a finishing touch, it's the foundation for long-term performance, safety, and satisfaction. Here's why proper installation during your door replacement project is so important, and how it can make all the difference for your Covington home. Energy efficiency starts with a tight fit. Covington residents know how quickly energy costs can rise during cold winters and humid summers. Your door is one of the main entry points for outside air, and if it's not installed correctly, you could be letting in drafts that make your HVAC system work overtime. A professionally installed door ensures a snug fit within the frame, proper insulation and sealing around the edges, smooth operation without gaps. This not only enhances indoor comfort but also reduces your monthly utility bills. Proper installation means your door becomes a barrier against the elements, not an entry point for heat or cold. Improved security and peace of mind. Your exterior doors are a crucial part of your home's security system. Even the strongest, most expensive door won't offer the protection you need if it's installed improperly. Misaligned frames, loose hinges, or gaps can make your home vulnerable to break-ins. Professional installers will anchor the door frame securely into your home's structure. Ensure the door hardware, locks, handles, deadbolts, is properly aligned and functional. Reinforce strike plates and hinges for added security. With expert installation, you'll gain peace of mind knowing your home and family are well protected. Avoid costly repairs and structural damage. Improper installation can lead to a host of problems down the line. A door that isn't level or properly sealed can cause water leaks during rainstorms, something Covington homeowners are all too familiar with. Water infiltration can damage floors, walls, and even your home's foundation over time. A properly installed door prevents these issues by maintaining structural integrity, keeping moisture out, eliminating uneven pressure on hinges or locks. By investing in quality installation from the beginning, you can avoid costly repairs and extend the life of your new door. Enhanced appearance and functionality. A well-installed door doesn't just function properly, it also looks great. Professional installers make sure your door is straight, aligned, and flush with the surrounding frame and trim. This polished finish enhances the appearance of your home, both inside and out. Additionally, a properly installed door will open and close smoothly without sticking, dragging, or rattling in the frame. This ease of use adds convenience to your daily routine and reduces wear and tear over time. Protects your warranty. Most door manufacturers offer warranties that cover defects in materials or construction. However, many of these warranties are void if the door is not installed by a licensed or certified professional. By hiring a qualified installer in Covington, you're not only ensuring the job is done right, You're also protecting your investment by keeping your warranty intact. This means added protection and less worry if anything goes wrong in the future. Local expertise matters. Hiring a professional installer familiar with Covington's building codes, climate, and architectural styles is a smart move. Local pros understand the unique needs of homes in the area and can recommend the best products and practices to suit your situation. From selecting weather-resistant materials to addressing foundation shifts common in older Covington homes, their knowledge can make all the difference. Final thoughts. Replacing a door in your Covington home is a significant investment, and one that pays off when done correctly. But the true value of that investment is only realized through proper installation. It's what ensures your door will perform well, look beautiful, and last for years to come. For long-lasting results, energy savings, improved security, and peace of mind, trust a professional door installer who understands the importance of getting every detail right. Because in home improvement, how it's done matters just as much as what's done.